Cash sheets represent individual money accounts. For example, checking accounts, credit cards, PayPal, etc. Accounts you use for your business to collect income and pay for expenses. Create one cash sheet for each money account. As a group, multiple cash sheets aggregate all your transactions and boil them down to three main types: income, expenses, and transfers. For example, most small business owners have a business checking account, one that often has a debit card attached. You may also have a credit card too, such as an American Express. So for this, we'll create two cash sheets, one for business checking, the other for American Express. To do this, click Create Cash Sheet, give it a name, for example, Business Checking, then click Create. If you misspell, click Edit. To create one for American Express, do likewise. Now to see the cash sheet itself, click on the cash sheet name. The date range is the current week. However, if changed, will remain as you changed it for convenience. These fields are used for detailed searching. More on that later. The date column is the date of the transaction. If entered manually, a pop-up calendar will help you. The amount column can be positive or negative. Positive numbers are either income or transfers in. Negative numbers are either expenses or transfers out. Cash sheets will change these automatically. The type column are one of three: income, expenses, or transfers. The category column are your high-level categories, much like a chart of accounts. For example, a category for income may be called sales. A category for expenses may be called office supplies. As a rule of thumb, category names should be similar to those found on the IRS Schedule C, at least those that apply to your business. Talk to your accountant to be sure. The subcategory column are your vendor names. For example, if your category is office supplies, the subcategory could be Office Depot, Staples, etc. The description column gives added detail. However, this column is primarily the description used from your bank statements. More on that later too. To see how it works, I'll enter two transactions manually. Now that I have entered them, I'll click Save Data. Notice how cash sheets kept income as a positive number and expense as a negative, then added them for a total at the bottom. So that's it for cash sheets. Have questions? Please email us at support@cashsheets.com.